I go do ya now. New link on the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Me not do nothing at all, you know, my girl. Me not do nothing, you know, me left come America and see me a try sort out in your life, you know. And we can have a better life and people can see you and see the struggles where we have come from. And this you do me. I beg you tell me picking them in a munchie. Then find me dead in the house and tell me picking them in a munchie. So then daddy did love them, you know. And then daddy did try and then daddy always make sure they have something, you know. Me I beg you to tell them, you know. Me I beg you tell them in a munchie. And I beg you tell me picking them in a car. God knows I not deserve this, you know. Me try, you know. Me try every fucking thing. Me clean all shit, dog. Hard shit. Clean people, yeah. Just put $1 together and starve myself up, yeah. Starve myself up, yeah. Just make sure some have something down there. And this no come to me, everybody plan up and this no come. You a hard person. Me never turn me back on you yet, no matter what. If you're sick, by the time you say this, me go find money.
Yeah, blessings with people, greetings. Don't know, say your boy New Link there from New Link Production, give it God thanks to life, you know. Because many people don't live to see this beautiful evening, you know what I mean? So, special respect to each and everyone who depend the thing and support New Link. I don't know the thing. Well, my people, John, this is not laughing thing right about now, you know what I mean? This is not joking thing right about now. And yeah, I see this video here, it was sent to my people, and to be honest, alright, from my perspective, watching this video, you know what I mean, I'm gonna talk about it if it's really a true matter, you know what I mean, if it's a serious matter, I'm gonna talk about it on that side, you know what I mean, because looking at this video, I just have to pre-it on the real level. I can't pre it on the negative level and say, yo, I some joke thing this and laugh off of the man or nothing like that. I'm going to pre it on the positive side. So that's what I'm going to cover about this video and talk about now, people. Well, upon a real level, my viewers and my subscribers, it's not a joke thing. You know what I mean? And as I said, the real side looking at it, I feel the pain for the man, right? Just watching this video. I feel it. You know what I mean? And what the man I say him, go a foreign, him work hard. You know what I mean? To take care of him family a yard. You get what me as a people, and it's like some ungrateful thing I go on. Just right now. Because when man I say, yo, it's like him do a lot. And the woman, because when him say munchie, you know, that look like I'm woman him attack a yard. And the woman, maybe a scandal him name or I don't know if a bun or something. But something not right. You know, this is not the first I see situations like this. And in the end, what the part of me feel really sad about is when this brother say like, he might go kill himself. You don't literally say it, but as to him I say, yo, when they find him dead, or I wanna tell him pick this or whatever. But look at it now, my viewers and my subscribers. I don't know this man in person. I don't have a contact for this man, but if I did or I do have a contact, I would definitely give him a call. You know what I mean? And talk to him, because on a real level, and I want this video, I hope this video reach to this brother. You understand? Boss man, you and New Link I go say now. Killing yourself, you don't deserve that. You know what I mean? You do your part and continue to do your part. You're taking care of your family, your kids, them, whatever you do. You know what I mean? You don't marry, if you don't marry to munchie, you get me? You don't need to kill yourself over munchie. You just know that if you have your kids, them, they are your kids, keep on taking care of your kids. That's what God wants you to do. You know what I mean? If munchie, you don't say munchie do some things when are real and munchie hurt you, look your man. God has somebody special out there wait for you. You just need to let go. You get me? You don't deserve that. You know what I mean? You're not worth that. God gave you the chance, the opportunity for left Jamaica, for go foreign, for work and better your family. And if your family turn around and be ungrateful against whatever you do, for maintain and take care of them, you know what I say, man? Go up on your knees, pray to God, ask him for look in your life and beg him, you know what I mean, to fix it. If there's a situation where you love munchie and you don't love munchie for change and munchie for be a better person, pray to God and ask him. If I say munchie can't change, I know she God want for you. You get what I say? So we don't go talk them thing the boss man. Listen, there are people, several people out there with no ungratefulness. And people if you understand this, sometimes some man they are foreign or woman they are foreign. The beliefs of them have it easy. Them have fear marshal 3 job, you know, just to make ends meet, you know. When bills lick them over America, an easy thing, you know. We know say food and them thing the cheap America, but me I tell you, so when bills lick the people them and an easy thing. You get me I say? People have to pay rent, they have to pay heater bill, they have to pay light bill, they have to pay this cable bill, all heap of something bill. You get me? So people have to really think from a perspective about people and not just think about say, yo, people are going America and this and then gone a foreign and them this and try to tear down people. You know what I mean? So, boss man, as a new link I say, no. And if you can give me a link, you see me, I'm going to left my email down at the bottom. I have my number on my Instagram, New Link Production. I have my number on my Facebook, New Link Production. You get me? I say, you can get it and give New Link a shot, man, and let me reason, man. Because, yo, that's why New Link there for, you know, for help and motivate people in and take people out of them stress, out of them misery. And if a man did have the heart to go do some things, the New Link help to give him a change of mind in a virgin. And that me want you do right now, you know. More you pray when New Link, because I'm a younger youth for you, you know. You're a bigger man for me, because I can look on you, I can see the age difference in a boss, man. You get me? I say, no follow some look at idiot man where you say out there kill woman and kill themselves or go kill themselves. You're not worthy, because when a man kill himself, you know, no part with God, you know. You see it? And God love you, that's why God gave the chance to go to America, boss, man, and go work some US dollars so you can take care of you them and come out of the struggle. You get me? I say, don't make nobody bring you down. People, I feel it, watching the man, as I say, I deal with the positive side. I know a lot of people are going to laugh and say, maybe a lie, I tell. I don't know if I joke thing or a lie, but I'm talking about the positive side as towards what I see in the video, and I feel it. Jano, looking at the man and see tears are running, a big man there, and the man have it, the heart, because enough big man now do it. See, if then the evil could have come, so boom, and come on social media and share them problems so them got to make them just clear their mind and be honest to you, then who do what them do. Instead that the brother then will go take the gun and kill the woman up a St. Andrew and kill himself. If him did come on social media, whatever problem he have before and talk, you know, maybe a couple of comments in the read that change your mind, you know. Zine, sometimes I tell you this, big people. I mean, I go talk to the brethren alone, talk to everyone out there, all of my viewers, my subscribers, everyone who share the video them to each and everyone who get the link and I watch it. You me, I say, man, listen, I say sometimes, I know I say I don't like trust people to tell people your problem, but in a life, just find somebody out there where you can trust. Zine, find somebody and make sure that the peers person there is not like say your family, him have no contacts, you know all your family or this. Find somebody like a stranger person out there where you know you can trust and share your problems with sometime. Tell them what go on in your life. Make them know what go on. Because sometimes it's just that you need for do, you know. You see, if you suck up everything inside and walk with everything inside, it will bring up anger. It will bring up all type of things, and that drive you for do things that's unnecessary and tear you down. You get what I say? Listen, you know, boys, man, is a young youth this attack to you, know. Me and a big old great king, tough king man, you know. Is a young chang boy this attack to you, know. Zine, I've been those road before where people feel me, where I feel like say do this, do that, and when I look into it and I look on it and I say, look you know, at the age now, Zine, I know I can live to see that time. You know how much things can happen in a couple of years, how much things God can work. Because in a 1 year, there's so much I accomplish in 1 year, Zine. Because I remember 2 years ago, 3 years ago, when New Link the dep on a level where I could go forward in life, and I look and I say, boy, me dep on sufferation. I know I say New Link, I drive on a big car and New Link, you know, living some lavish lifestyle, and I'm saying, oh my God, look, they just 3 years it take. So you say that 3 years, the previous life that way, the man. The 1 year is just the year for disappointment and everything, and I eat you for learn off. Some of you and my subscribers, you don't know the thing, man. That's how they for you don't know New Link do it in our we say attack. And as we as a people, you know what I mean? I really feel it for the big man, and you know what I mean? I really want him to get the video, and but just like I play the video. Now the last part for you see it where I want to see the emotions of the boss again, and I just look into it, people, and just do a don't know, no. Subscribe to New Link Production, share New Link Production video them, and tell everyone about New Link. You don't know, so New Link is open for booking for MC, event or special appearance to come motivate the youth them, talk to the youth them, guide the youth them. Wanna book up New Link now. The email is there under the video. You see me, I say if you don't want to contact me on Instagram for song review, anything you don't know, it's a fee, but we deal with the thing, don't know reasonable. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know the thing, man. We say, well, attack them New Link. There's only one, and they could be no other one. I'm out.
Me not doing nothing at all, you know, my girl. Me not doing nothing, you know, me left come America and see me a try sort out in your life, you know. And we can have a better life and people can see you and see the struggles where we are come from. And this you do me. I beg you tell me pick them in a munchie. Then find me dead in the house and tell me pick them in a munchie. So then daddy did love them, you know. And then daddy did try, and then daddy always make sure they have something, you know. Me I beg you to tell them, you know. Me I beg you tell them in a munchie. I beg you, tell me picking them in a car. God knows I mean I deserve this, you know. Me trying, me try every fucking thing. Me clean all shit, dog. Hard shit. Clean people, yeah. Just say put $1 together and starve myself up, yeah. Starve myself up, yeah. Just say make sure some have something down there. And this one come to me, everybody plan up and this one come. You a hard person. Me never turn me back on you yet, no matter what. If you're sick, by the time you say this, me go find money.
What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link. Attack.